Now with my phone, if I'm not using the pop socket, I will have this Manfrotto vlog stick tripod that's adjustable, and I've bought this phone clip to put on it, and I can also put my camera on this, but I just like this because I can hold it or I can put it down and record with it this way. I'm Bloggin Brandi, and in this video I'm going to show you all the equipment that you need to get started on YouTube. Be sure to stay tuned until the end of this video so that you can make sure your YouTube channel is set up for success. Most people think that you need to have a bunch of fancy equipment to get started on YouTube. But honestly, I use my phone to record most of my videos that I film and put on YouTube. So you can use your iPhone or Android to film a lot of your videos, but if you want a nicer camera to film your videos with, I do also have a Sony CyberShot that I use to film a lot of my videos with. Now, next you're going to need something to stabilize your phone. So if I'm walking and talking, I have this pop socket that I put on the back of my phone that collapses down. Now with my phone, if I'm not using the pop socket, I will have this Manfrotto vlog stick tripod that's adjustable, and I've bought this phone clip to put on it, and I can also put my camera on this, but I just like this because I can hold it or I can put it down and record with it this way. And I have this tripod stand that I use to film my videos on. I'm putting links to all of the stuff that I mentioned in the description below this video, and most of it I get on Amazon, so you can check it out for yourself. Now, I also have my computer. This is a MacBook Pro that I can use, and my iPhone, this is the iPhone 6, and the one that I'm recording on is an iPhone 10 or an iPhone X. Another really cool tool that I like to use is my remote clicker or shutter. It allows me to start and stop the phone when I'm filming or take pictures without ever having to actually touch my phone. Now, the next thing that you're going to want to consider is your audio, and if you're using your phone, then it probably already has good audio on it. But if I'm using my Sony CyberShot, a lot of times what I'll do is I will buy a cheap lapel, this lavalier is what they call it, and I'll just put it into my iPhone and turn on the voice recorder, and I'll just clip this on so that I can get better audio if I'm recording with my camera. And you can pick one of these up super cheap on Amazon, usually like under $10. They have tons of them. Now, last but not least, you want to consider the lighting that you're in, and in here we obviously have really good lighting already. But I do have a ring light that I use from time to time that I love. And if you don't have your own lighting, the best source of light that you can use is actually the natural light from outside. And if you're using that, you want to make sure that you're facing the light. No matter what light you're using, you always want to be facing the light, because if you're recording behind you, you're going to have some type of shadow if the light is behind you, and it's gonna make like a silhouette picture. So natural light is the best, but again, any light is gonna do. You just wanna make sure that you're facing the light. So now you know what all equipment you need to get started filming your videos on YouTube, which I'm putting links to all of the stuff that I mentioned in the description below this video, and most of it I get on Amazon, so you can check it out for yourself. But if you want people to actually watch your videos and subscribe to your channel, then you need to look like a channel. Don't worry, I've got you covered with my YouTube channel checklist. Where can you pick that up? In the description below this video. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Bloggin Brandi, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, I'm Bloggin Brandi, and I feel like this camera is crooked. Ugh. But be sure to stay tuned until the end of this video so you can make sure your YouTube... I have this... I call it a pog. Why do I call it a pog? It's not a pog. It's a freaking pop top.